In this tutorial, you'll learn how to quickly and easily embed films on demand streaming videos into Canvas. Starting in Pages, go to Edit, and under Tools you will see an option for Apps, or you can go to the toolbar and select this icon that looks like a plug. And from here, if you don't see Films on Demand right away, click View All and search for Films on Demand. Once you've used it once, it will show up as a shortcut. After selecting Films on Demand, if you know the title of the film you're looking for, you can enter that into the search box, or just search on a topic and click the search button. From here you have options to filter by subject, producers, titles and segments. This is one you may want to use. Films on Demand will automatically search for full titles or short segments within larger titles. If you only want to search full titles, you can select Titles and apply the filter. From here I see a list of results, and I can go ahead and preview that video right now from within Canvas, or I can go ahead and embed. After I click the Embed button, I have options to embed the small, medium, or large preview. I'm going to select Medium, and it automatically embeds it for me in Canvas. From here, hit Save, and now your video is ready to view by your students. If you have any questions, please contact a librarian.